Hey, welcome back to No Place Like Home. So glad to have y'all here this morning. This is my red and green and a dab of white tablescape. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna come up real close and I'm gonna let y'all see the tableplex setting. I like to have at least 2 or 3 placemat with the charge and the plate. And what I did this time, I'm gonna come up a little close. I'm just gonna show y'all what I did. I had it with the red bottom, then the green, then the gold. And then I just had the white. Then I decided to just put another plate in there. I got these plates from a resale store for like $1 a piece, and I got about, I don't know, 8 of them. And they are so cute. And then I got the little nutcracker there. I got that from a Dollar Tree. And the little wooden bowl here, I got that from another store. I don't remember where I got it from, but it kind of just blended in with the rest of it. It just kind of gave it another look with the brown and that in it with it. And I think it levered off real good. I hope y'all think so. And I got my wine glasses. And I got those from a resale store for, I think, for $1 too. I got about 6 of them. And I kind of like how I have my napkins here. I just think you just kind of, I had it like so, but then I thought about, I said, you know what? I can just bring it up, make it look like it's folded under. And so I just kind of did it like that. I think that's pretty cool. And then the centerpiece here, I want it to be red. So I got the red with the vase, kind of got a little brown in it too. And then around it, I have the little Christmas ornaments that I have. And then I just placed that all around it. And I got the little sled. I think that was cute with the little green and the red in it. And then I put a garland in the center of it. I think that is so cool. And then with the little flowers, I got a little candle holder there. And I think if I can get up a little closer to it. So I hope y'all like this tablescape. Each one of the plates has a different setting. This got Faith. I will show my Faith by my works as James 2:18, I think. And I didn't show y'all the one that families are linked to the past, the bridge to our future. I think that's pretty cool. And I'm gonna go around the table here. Okay, and then this one is the same setup that I had on the other side. And it just has friends. Friends is that a man laid down his life for his friends. I thought it was cool. That's John 15:13. Also I have this little birdhouse on this side. And it was all about red and green. And I used the black tablecloth with the white, and I think it's kind of got a little silver in it. And then I decided to use my black and white pillows this time. And I'm gonna let y'all look at what I have here. We'll come back a little bit. Okay. y'all for joining me today. I thank y'all for my comments. I thank y'all for what all y'all do. Y'all support. Y'all so wonderful. I just love y'all. And if you hadn't subscribed to our family, go ahead and do it. Y'all please have a safe and prosperous Thanksgiving. And we will see y'all the next time, if God be willing. Bye-bye. Love y'all.